Hello friends, if you ask any of your customers, what is the financial planning they have done? What are the kind of answers you will get? Some of them would be saving to buy a good home, some of them would be saving to buy a good car, and some of them would be saving to pay for their children's education. But will anybody come back and say that they are saving in case of a health emergency? I am sure no. And medical emergencies are such that they have the ability to wipe out all the savings that you have done for all the goals that you have made. And that is why it is extremely important for you and your customers to have a good comprehensive health insurance cover. Keeping such things in mind, Religare has brought forth for you and your customers a very good value for money and a comprehensive health insurance product called Care. Now, why is it comprehensive? It is comprehensive because it not just covers minor ailments like cataract or viral infection or stomach infection or dengue, but it also covers major ailments like cancer, like tumor, like heart attack and organ transplant, and pays for the hospital bills in case any of these bad things happen to you or anybody in your family. But not just hospitalization. Expenses start before hospitalization as well and continue even after discharge. So this policy will also pay for your expenses that you have incurred for consultations, diagnostic tests, as well as medicines for up to 30 days before hospitalization and for up to 60 days after discharge. And that's what makes it a truly comprehensive policy. The product Care also offers some other interesting benefits like automatic recharge. What is automatic recharge? Under this benefit, if because of an unfortunate claim, the entire sum insured gets exhausted, then the policy is recharged with an amount equal to the sum insured, which can be used by any other member of the family during the remaining part of the policy year or by the same member for any other unrelated claim. Here, I would like to add that if you have taken the option of unlimited automatic recharge, then this recharge benefit can be triggered unlimited number of times in your policy. One good thing about your Care health insurance policy is that there is no upper age limit. That means even a 100-year-old person is free to apply for a Care policy and get covered under it. Also, once the customer has been given a policy, renewability is available for lifetime as long as the customer keeps paying the premiums. I'm sure many of your customers will come and ask you that if they have not got hospitalized during the year or if they have not taken any claim, then has their money gone waste? The answer is no. Because Religare Health Insurance's product Care offers you an annual health checkup benefit where every member of your family can go and get an annual health checkup done every year from the very first year onwards. Also, if you have not made a claim, then your sum insured keeps increasing every year and can go up to a 150% of the sum insured under the no claim bonus super option, where a 10 lakh rupee policy can become a 16 lakh rupee policy at the end of 1 year and a 22 lakh rupee policy at the end of 2 years. And do not forget that whatever amount you spend to purchase your product Care is also eligible for tax benefit under Section 80D of the Income Tax Act. Other than such interesting benefits, the product Care also comes with a wide variety of options for your customers which they can pick and choose as per their wish. For example, if your customers want to be covered under the OPD benefit to take care of consultations, tests and medicine related expenses, they have the option to buy OPD Care with the sum insured option from 5,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees every year. In case any of your customers feel that the premium is too high and unaffordable, they can go for our Smart Select option where they can avail a premium which is 15% lesser than the standard premiums. Also, whenever a person gets hospitalized, other than the hospital bills, there are some other expenses like travel and food and lodging. To take care of such expenses, the customer has the option to take a daily allowance benefit where they can avail a daily allowance ranging from 1,000 rupees per day of hospitalization to up to 10,000 rupees per day of hospitalization. So, in case a person gets hospitalized for a 10-day period, then the total amount under this benefit will be 1 lakh rupees, and this will be over and above the claim amount that has been used to pay for the hospital bills. If he has taken a 10,000 rupee per day. Another interesting benefit is international second opinion, where the customer has the choice to get an expert opinion from a wide array of doctors and expert clinics and hospitals across the globe. Religare Health Insurance is a specialist health insurance company, which means we are experts of health insurance. And thanks to you, we have shown exemplary growth over the past few years and will continue to grow along with you.